Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to create an account in HubSpot. To begin, navigate to the HubSpot website. You'll typically find a prominent Get Started free button. Click this to start your journey. Next, you'll be asked to provide your email address. This is the first step in setting up your new account. Then, follow the simple on-screen instructions to input some basic details about your company. After entering your email, you'll need to provide more details about your company. This includes your company's name and its website address. You'll also select your industry from a drop-down menu, which helps HubSpot tailor your experience. Don't forget to specify the approximate number of employees in your organization and your primary role, such as marketing manager or sales director. Now it's time to customize your HubSpot workspace. You'll be prompted to select which HubSpot products you want to start with, like Marketing Hub or Sales Hub. Next, create a strong, unique password for your account to ensure security. Remember to review and agree to HubSpot's terms of service and privacy policy. Once complete, you can explore your new dashboard and access helpful setup guides. With your account created, it's time to explore. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the main navigation menu, which provides access to all your tools. You can immediately start using free features such as the CRM, email marketing, and forms. Consider integrating other business applications you use for a seamless workflow. Remember, HubSpot offers an extensive knowledge base and community forums for any questions you might have.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.